So here we go, everyone. Well, this camera angle, I'm not sure if it looks good, but you let me know down in the comments. Wow, check out the sunset today evening. I think we can adjust the camera to come a little bit up like this. Actually, the road is bumpy and I don't want to disturb the camera, but yeah, something like this would be good. Yeah, what do you guys think? A Jeep, and the car name, I'm not sure about the car name, but that's a Jeep. Seems like there's gonna be a lot of traffic. Let's adjust the camera, or we'll just let it go like this. So how's your day going? How's everything with you? I hope all of you are doing well. Riyadh evening it is. The traffic is moving, but obviously we are not gonna make it, so no worries. We'll actually go here because no car is turning to the right. So we skipped a few cars which were on the left. Seems like I have a little bit of cough. So anyways, we'll adjust the camera to this frame. Yeah, this one seems better. There is traffic on the roads. Also, let's talk about our channels and what's going on. So usually my duty is long, but in the past week it has been actually quite hectic. I had to do continuous like 20-22 hours of duty on 2 days, so it became quite overwhelming, but still I uploaded one video on the raw logs channel. On the street view, I'm continuously uploading because here I see this channel getting a lot of traction, and the thing is that I want to keep this momentum, because momentum is a beautiful thing in life. If you have momentum, do everything to keep it. And the next thing is that I was also trying to edit some videos. I have a backlog of content, so I was trying to actually work on the previous ones that I have the content for and I want to edit, but anyways, I was too overwhelmed and tired. And since tomorrow is Friday, I would want to do that today. Let's see if I'm able to do that. So the traffic is moving blacked out Mercedes. What's this, S400 or what? All you lovely people, do take care while you drive to work, to anywhere, or while commuting back. Honestly, I want you guys to keep watching my videos. Oh goodness. Actually, I just want to keep talking to the camera, and honestly, while I talk to the camera, it's just like me talking to you face to face, or it feels like that to me. However, I do post a lot of content. It's not taking off. What do I need to change? At least I'm continuously putting content, trying to improve, but I like to make content like continuously and giving you like my perspective on what's going on. So even for that, I bought this other camera that I have, Insta360 GO 3S. Right now I'm not recording with that. Right now it's with an iPhone, but well, I used that one to record POV scenes, and it's getting better and better. We have to take an exit, so we'll have to come over here. Honestly, I would have wanted to actually come from in front of this tanker, but it has some weird sort of signal going on to the left, but see, now it's both signals. I don't know why. Anyways, coming back to the point, I want to keep talking to the camera. However, it's been a very long week. I'm exhausted. Oh, what a wonderful scene. Actually, I just noticed I put the same scene, but actually it was 4 a.m. or something like that last time when I went from here, and the scenes were quite good, and I put it as a thumbnail. From here, just look out in the horizon. The very slim and tall building you see, it's the Kingdom Tower, but from the side. Hi, Changan.
Sure. Sure.
No.
I'm going to take a break.
No, why would you take a break? Hi Shanjan.
How can I help you?
Please reduce the AC temperature.
Adjust it to 22.
Oh, I wanted it to increase. Hi Shanjan, please increase the AC temperature.
How can I help you?
Please increase the AC temperature.
Increase to 25.
Yeah, this is good, yeah. Please reduce the fan speed.
Adjust it to 3.
Yeah. That's better. Thanks. Well, I've noticed that from one video that it also takes instructions in Arabic, but I think you have to set it to Arabic. But this right now is set to English. But I'll give it a try. Okay, let's see.
How can I help you?
أغلق مكيف. No, it will not do that. Let's go to the settings and change the voice to okay. What language? Where's the option for language? Voice, source, position, voice, text. Okay.
مرحبا، أنا شانجان، تشرفت بلقائك.
تشرفت بلقائك. It means like nice to meet you. So we'll now try Shanjan in Arabic.
ماذا يمكنني أن أفعل لك؟
بس أغلق المكيف. شانجان أغلق مكيف. Let's try it again.
ماذا يمكنني أن أفعل لك؟
افتح مكيف الهواء.
مكيف الهواء قيد تشغيل.
اوكي. أغلق المكيف الهواء.
تم إغلاق مكيف أمامه.
Very good, very good. Yeah, it's working now. Oh.
ماذا يمكنني أن أفعل لك؟
شنجان ايش تقدر تسوي؟ Now, what will I call the sunroof in Arabic? Let's try.
ماذا يمكنني أن أفعل لك؟
افتح sunroof.
عذرا، لا يدعم هذا نوع من السيارات هذه الوظيفة.
Oof. No, this is not what should happen. Anyways, let's try something else. Now since we are on the red light, let's try something here. Hi Shanjan.
ماذا يمكنني أن أفعل لك؟
فتح النافذة.
جاري فتح main driver.
أيوه. Wow. Yeah. No, that's good. Actually, it opened the side screen for me.
ماذا يمكنني أن أفعل لك؟
So, okay, that's enough. I'll turn it back to
Hi, I'm Changan. Nice to meet you.
Changan. Okay everyone, so it's just traffic from here now, and I will be ending the video. In the evening it's already evening by the way. At night I'll be going to An-Naseem Al-Gharabi later on, to this one very wonderful Pakistani restaurant with my friends. So inshallah I will record the drive, and hopefully we'll spend a very good time. And the complete video for today's vlog will be on Raw Logs by Talha. Raw Log, you have to type RAWLOG log, Raw Log. Okay everyone, so we'll meet again. بنقابل مرة ثانية.